All right. I had taped earlier and it didn't save, so I'm going to do a explanation without a lot of drawing here. Um, for most of you, we have already put the eyes on our portrait and possibly even the ears. So I'm just going to talk about the nose, the mouth, the hair, and eyebrows and such. One thing that is a general rule for all portraits is if you're going to be realistic here, the nose is located halfway from the eyes to the chin. So on your portrait, if we measure from that eye line, you're going to find it's 4 inches. That means half of 4 is 2, so right at 2 inches is going to be the base of your nose. Again, that's 2 inches on your portrait, okay? And halfway from the eyes to the chin. Well, the mouth is actually halfway from the nose to the chin, and that's a general rule for portraiture. So again, if we measure from the nose to the chin, it's 2 inches, which means at 1 inch, you're going to put the line for the mouth. All right, and that tells you where to place these as you go down on the portrait. Then we need to figure out, well, how wide is the nose going to be? The nose lines up with the inner corner of the eyes, which also is 1 eye width. All right, remember the eyes were 5 eyes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, the nose is 1 eye width and it goes straight down from the inner corners of your eye. All right, so you can actually take your ruler and just line it up like that and find out that within this area is going to be the nose. The mouth, on the other hand, lines up with the center of your eyes. This is a mouth that's not smiling, not frowning, not basically very little expression. So it lines up from the inner corner of your eyes, and you can actually, what I want you to do is to line your ruler up just like I did with the nose, what I'm going to do right now, and draw a line right here and right here. Now keep in mind, guys, you're going to say that's such a big mouth, but keep in mind that's the absolute corners of your mouth. And if you draw the mouth like I showed you with the circle and the carrot shape on its side, all right, and you really taper it in, it's going to look right. You just got to trust me on this, and you got to try it. However, one thing I will say over and over is you've got to use your mirror. You've got to look at your mirror when you get to this point and say, okay, what do I need to make mine different and make it look more like me? The mouth, for example, we've talked about this. You might have more of a dip here. You might have a lower lip. Your lips may be even more even than these. I mean, it's just all going to vary person by person. All right, so keep this in mind.